For the past 30 years, commonly used metal switches will easily wear due to the oxidization, resulting in large numbers of defective units. But you may not know, the most headache for engineer is metal debounce noise. They have to wait till the debounce noise to disappear and waste 30 milliseconds delay. Delay issue is the worst for gaming gears. The new generation is today. Revolutionary optical switch technology is coming. LK Light Strike. The new LK switch uses infrared sensor to react. No metal contact, no oxidization, never wear out. The old metal switch bounced noise would totally disappear in the LK technology. Key response can be an extreme 0.2 milliseconds. Light speed 0.2 milliseconds response. Let you enjoy Light Strike gaming experience. Key response PK. Download PK software. Bloody.com PK. We use key response PK software to prove who's the fastest. After numerous PK, LK is final winner. Response with light speed. Definitely invincible. Definitely world's fastest keyboard. Light Strike, always one step ahead.